Hi friends, I am Krishna Mohan. So today we are going to continue the SDLC phases. Okay, we have already done with the requirement phase, analysis phase, design phase, coding phase, testing phase, and today we are going for the sixth phase, that is the delivery or the deployment or the installation phase. Okay, so these are the phases. Today we are going to learn the delivery or the deployment phase. Okay, I will do forward. Coding is over. Testing is over. Okay. Uh, Here is the pictorial representation. What we have learned. Okay. Testing phase is over. Now we got the qualitative product, that is the tested product. Okay. That product we have to deliver it to the customer. Okay. Delivery or the deployment phase. Okay. The task is delivering the software. Okay, performing certification activities. Okay, this what is the certification activities? Okay, sometimes what happens, um, we along with the project, along with the means software build, we will give some sort of certification. Okay, this is means developed by so and so, and all those things will be given. Even for sometimes product, for product also this certification is given. Okay, and this giving the certificate is an optional thing. Okay, and who are the roles who are involved in this delivery or the deployment? Is the project manager, quality manager will be there, then deployment manager and their team, the deployment engineers or the installation engineers. Here these are the key deployment managers, and his team will be the key factors over here, and it is their responsibility is to deliver the product, okay, to the customer, okay, and as well as install the product in the client's environment. Okay, then what are the inputs? Okay, an input tested product will be there definitely. Okay, here you see tested and finalized build, that is the tested build, last build which has been finalized, and there will be a confirmation from the uh, PM that the build which we are delivering is fully tested. Confirmation means in the sense of it will be in the form of a mail. Okay, confirmation mail should be there from QC also. Okay, that the product or the project which we are finalizing it satisfies the exit criteria. Okay, so if it is satisfying the exit criteria, then that will be finalized, and that will be and the quality manager will send a mail to the project manager that okay, this build is approved. Okay, this version of the build is approved. Okay, you can deliver it to the customer. Okay, then by seeing that mail, the PM will confirm that okay, now you can deliver this mail and deliver that. That version of the build. Okay, you will have different versions. Okay, as during the process of testing, new builds will be released as and when the builds will be releasing. If at all any changes, the functionality related changes occurs in the build, then the version will be changing. You might be I already explained you the process. Okay, so the finalized build will be given to the customer, and that will be actually the input, and that will be given to the customer. Okay, here is the process. See here, once the total application is developed the complete and the complete testing is performed on it, okay, the application can be sent to the customer for the sake of usage. Okay, the sending is known as the delivery. Okay, sending is known as delivery, like you deliver a pizza delivery is done, no, to the through the delivery boys will be there. In the same way, here delivery team will be there, who will be delivering the project to the customer. Okay, while delivering the application, the development team can simply dump the application software into the customer's location so that the customer installs the software later on its business environment with the help of their own professionals. Okay, this means that sometimes what happens, customer will say, okay, I don't want your engineers to install uh, the software. You please dump the software, then I will be installing with my engineers or my professionals. Okay, then how can they install it? By using, by seeing the installation manual. Okay, so they have to, actually they wanted to check the installation manual also, because installation man, by using the installation manual you can install it or not, they wanted to check it. In that case, they will tell that we will be installing, you please dump the software. Okay, so they are the main rare cases it happens like that. Okay. Okay. On the other hand, the customer may request the development company to deliver or install the application software straight away into the business environment. Okay, this is the process. This process is known as the staging. Okay, in the um, what in the terminology wise, it is called the staging. Okay, where the software is being installed in the client's environment. Okay, and there is a separate process for that staging, how it is done and all. You don't need to worry about all those things because there is a separate team called deployment team which is taking care of all those things. Okay, as the application is ultimately delivered to the client with the process of uploading the application into the business server. Okay, which is technically called as deployment or installation. Okay. Um, Okay, that's what it is. Okay, you are delivering it, means you are giving, you are writing in a CD and you are giving it to the customer, or you are deploying by being in your own location, and you can take their server and you can deploy it. Okay, so whatever it is, that the way of giving the software or installing the software in the client's environment is deployment or installation or delivery. Okay, we are giving it for to the customer ultimately. Which software will be given? The tested software. Okay, and who will be telling that okay, this software is tested with QC people will tell that okay, this version of the build should be delivered. Okay, the version number will be mentioned in the mail. Okay. Mm, then what will be the output? Okay, along with the, anyhow they will give the software. Okay, along with that, what are other things they will give it? See here, software release, sorry, software release note. This release note will be given if it is a product. Okay, you might be seeing release notes while downloading any software, you will be getting a release note along with it. So this is for product. For project, it is a delivery note. Okay, delivery note, what it contains actually? The delivery note contains what we are giving. Okay, either along with the software, if you are giving any hardware or not. Okay, those are all the things. Okay, if you are giving any hardware, how many units of hardware you are giving. Okay, that information will be there. Suppose there are some bugs which are left, means suppose that customers acceptance criteria is 2% of defects is accepted if the defect is not severe. Okay, then if some GUI defects are left, then those defects has to be intimated to the customer. Okay, means those defects are called the known defects, and the known defects has to be has to be uh, noted in the delivery note also, that these are the known defects and these defects will be clarified in the maintenance phase. Okay, so the delivery note will contain the things that are being delivered and the known defects. Okay, mostly these are the main important things. Okay, uh, okay, certification document, if at all they wanted to give any certification document. Then the installation manual, which I already told you that if suppose first time we have installed it, in during the maintenance phase, or after using 1 or 2 years, suppose the system has been crashed, then again they wanted to install it. Again, they can't go to the if the maintenance is not there, then again they can't go to the development team. No, call the development team. By seeing the installation manual, they have to install it. Okay, that's what it is. User manual, how the software, how to use the software is about the it contains the user manual. And this handbook, if it is a product, suppose if you buy a fridge, then you will get a hard copy of the manual. Okay, that is what is the handbook. It is a handy. Okay, so that's what it is. So the common things in any software is software delivery note will be there, then installation manual will be there, user manual will be there. Okay, the rest of the things are optional. Okay, I hope you understood this delivery phase. Okay, in the next video we will be seeing the maintenance phase. Okay, see, next is maintenance phase. Next we will be seeing that. Okay, thank you for now.